Good morning. Today is day 6 on Journey to Freedom. Today we are going back to the Elephant Nature Park, but first we're going to get to say goodbye to the elephants. We are currently trying to dry some clothes so we can throw those into our bags, and then we're going to be off at around 10 o'clock. It's a 3-hour drive to the nature park, and I'm not quite sure what we're doing there, but it'll be cool to see that compared to what we've been doing here.
Là tên ná phố đi lên lẽ cho chữ mong mưa qua là tên ná phố đi lên cho chữ để giữ pháp nó để cứ để giữ pháp nó Tên nát plito từ bố để sẽ giữ con nó một lần để sẽ giữ con nó một Hãy
This is the Elephant Nature Park. They have 73 elephants here, and 500 dogs, and how many cats? Like
I don't know, I wasn't
200 cats or something like that.
I'm allergic, I stay away.
And we got to meet Lake, who started the whole thing. You saw her talking a little bit before, which is really, really cool. And we're going to check in now, and then dinner, and I don't know, just I guess just get to wander around a bit. So yeah. No Pokemon Go. Made it back to our place at the end of the night here. Raffle, tons of music, got some Wi-Fi back. Vlog's over.